Hello, hello. Okay, so really quickly, I am getting ready to go over to the model home and open that up, but I wanted to give you a quick tour of this house because this is an inventory home that we have at Evans Farm. It's a Kenrick Fine home, beautiful home. This will be done in about 3 months, and there is still time to pick some finishes, but he has started already with some really great things. The exterior is going to be a really light gray, very pretty, kind of copies our model. Well, it's not mine, but I claim it because I love it. Copies the Kenrick Fine home model. So it's a very similar floor plan, just shrunk down a bit. And it's listed currently at $685, available now. So love this. It's going to have this really great wood stained door, beautiful. Everything Kenrick Fine Homes does with is done with really good quality. Everything's very beautiful, and I just love it. So yeah, let me give you a tour real quick. So this will open up to your foyer and your dining space, and then you come here to the kitchen, which I love this kitchen. This whole space here is going to be a island, huge island. The back wall here is going to be all cabinetry right out of Pinterest. Gorgeous gray, a light gray cabinet, beautiful countertops. You'll have a range hood over the top. Beautiful, beautiful. But the one feature of this house that I think is going to just blow you out of the water is the prep kitchen. So every time I take someone into the prep kitchen at the model, they're like, oh my gosh, I love this. This is gorgeous. So this is a copy of the prep kitchen. And I know right now it's hard to tell because it's all in framing, but you'll walk in, you'll have a refrigerator here. So your main refrigerator will be here. You'll have your sink, your dishwasher, you'll have cabinetry. There'll be some shelving here so that you can have your microwave and storage. This is a really cool space. Definitely a showstopper, something that I'm asked about every time someone walks through. Oh, that's really neat. That's a very cool concept. Everybody needs to have that. And it's pretty neat because you can actually shut this door so that people don't see your mess. So you prep everything in there, bring it all out here, all of your Uber foods that you went in there and cooked. And then you shut the door and it looks amazing. So this house is super set up for entertaining. So this is the great room, right off of the beautiful island. So it's just really well thought out, very, very pretty. And I cannot wait to show you this product done. But right now you can get in, pick some of your finishes. It'll have hardwood floor through the first floor. If you want to decide if you want a light or a dark, or what you want, you better get in now because they've all got to be picked this week because 3 months is really close. This beginning of the year, January, you can be in this house. $685. Upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Downstairs in the basement, it is going to be finished. And there will be another bedroom with another bathroom and this really great entertainment space and a bar. But I think the showstopper of this house is that it has a 4-car garage. Check that out. So a lot of people have said, oh, I didn't know you could do a 4-car garage out here. So the model home has a 4-car garage. So obviously the baby model would have to have a 4-car garage as well. So look how awesome that is. So that's enough space for multiple supercars or 1 car and a lot of storage, or boats or jet skis, or all of the fun stuff that you want to have. Golf cart. This is a really great community to have a golf cart in because you can take it all around. There's lots of places to drive it and go visit people. And the Kenrick house actually has a really awesome golf cart. I'm kind of jealous. So this house is available now. $685 in Evans Farm, which is Lewis Center, Ohio. Olentangy School District. So if you are interested, give me a call, 614-843-0891. You can check it out on my website, perezteamhomes.com. We'll have information about it on our social media pages, on the Kenrick Fine Homes page, on the Perez Team page, and on my personal page that you're watching this on now. So This house is available. Homes in Evans Farm start in the fours, low fours. So if you are looking for a new build home and you're in that price range, starting at 4, give me a call, because this is a really unique community. It's not cookie cutter. You have so many options here, and I'd love to show it to you.